Here, I'm going to show you a simple setup where you put a prompt or a topic or a title in your Telegram account, and then a social media post is created, an image is created, and that post is automatically transferred to your GHL Social Planner for you to approve, edit, and approve and post. Right? So this is a very, very simple setup. And this post is going to be relevant to your business. It's going to be based on your business data, right? So everything is going to be aligned to your consistent with your central message from your business, etc. For this demo, I set up a very simple thing. I conducted a real estate AI summit in 2025, and I put all the information about the summit in a vector database, and then all the information is going to pull from there. Right. So let's give a simple prompt here. So I'm going to put the prompt here because it's going to go to OpenAI and generate an image. So it's going to take some time to generate an image. While it's generating the image and everything and generating the post, I can show you what exactly is happening on the back end. Right. So I'm going to say register for the real estate AI summit. So that's going to be a very simple social media post. I'm going to say register for the real estate AI summit, and then I'm going to send it through. This is a bot for the specific purpose. And then this is my NI10 setup on the back end. Just concentrate on the main one. So again, this is a demo setup because it's social media post bot testing. So I'm just going to show you what's happening on the back end. So the Telegram trigger is coming in, and it could be a text, or I can actually talk to the Telegram. I send a voice command to the Telegram. If it is a voice command, it's going to transcribe. And then once it's done, it's going to generate context based on my business. Right. So how am I doing it? I'm going through a Pinecone vector database, which is connected to my Google Drive. So in that Google Drive, whenever I put a file related to my business, it's automatically going to be uploaded Pinecone vector. So that one is set up here. And after that, once it gets a context from my business for that specific title, it's going to generate a prompt. And then you can actually have a human in the loop here, which I took it out for the demo purposes, where the prompt will come back to Telegram like this. Say, hey, this is the AI prompt, and this is the caption. I can either approve or decline if I want to. And then once I approve it, it will go to generate image through OpenAI. And then once the image is generated, it's going to generate the actual post, and then it's going to go and put it in GHL Social Planner. Right. I'm going to show you again. There can be a second human in the loop where the generated image can be approved. I'm going to show you here. So for example, it will send you this image, and then you can say, hey, action required, approve or decline. I can approve it. If I decline it, I can set up a loop where it goes and generates another image. Right. For the demo purposes, I took out the human in the loop so that you can actually show the actual image. So I sent it at 5:54 p.m. here, and then let's go and check in our GHL whether it's come through. Okay, I'm going to open my marketing tab in my account. Okay, so we sent the command. If you can see here at 5:54, and then there was a post generated at 5:55, and then I can actually show you the post. It says experience the future of real estate AI Summit 2025. Right, this is already done, but it's for demo purposes. And then it actually creates an image for you, and then it's as simple as that. Right. Of course, this I created within a couple of hours, so you can actually refine your database for your company. Right, and refine the prompting, and then you can produce a much higher quality post. But I just want to show you that Telegram one command, you can put a post inside GHL, and you can refine the steps throughout.